What's going on, guys? We're out here at Bulldog Canyon again to get redemption on the check engine light situation from last week's video. It's gonna be just a little tester day, see if the check engine light pops on. I think it's that little wiring harness that I had on there, but let's get to it. Alright guys, check out this spot right here. Well, considering my ABS and traction control might not work, we're going to move this hill. Actually a pretty big hill, and hopefully we don't slide down it. So, let's get it, boys. All right, guys, I need to talk to you guys about something close to my heart over here, okay? Do not play into the Toyota propaganda. Fuck the new Tacoma. This is the year of the Colorado. So don't let Toyota brainwash all you guys. It's not better. It's not more reliable. It's brand new. Looks goddamn ugly. It looks like a mini Tundra. Come on, guys. This is America. We buy American trucks. Toyota sucks. It's all about America, okay? Don't get all delusional about the Toyota Tacoma is better. It's not. You don't know. It's not even out yet. You want to get an SR for 55 grand? Base model 55 grand? Come on. That's some bullshit. Overpriced junkers, dude. It's all about America right here. Chevy. All right, guys, we're airing up right now. We just got done at Hackamore, Bulldog Canyon area, but for real, do not buy the new Tacoma. They're all junkers. It's all propaganda. You guys are getting brainwashed. The Toyota is not better. So definitely get yourself a 23 Colorado or Canyon. Definitely work it. American right here. American truck. A little update from last week's video. Harness, I still gotta put a little putty in there to fill that little gouge in the harness, but today's trail ride we had no issues, no check engine line, no ABS light, none of that. We're all good. So yeah, thanks guys. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Hope you guys get everything you want on your Christmas list and you've been a nice kiddo because Santa Claus is watching. All right guys, peace out, love you guys, see ya.